Hey there, it's Dan from RDP Arena. In this video, you'll learn what an RDP server is, why it's useful, and how you can start using one right now. Let's get started. First, let's break down what RDP actually means. RDP stands for Remote Desktop Protocol, a technology developed by Microsoft that allows you to connect to another computer over the internet or a local network. When you use RDP, you can control a remote computer just as if you were sitting right in front of it. The screen, keyboard, and mouse functions all work in real time, giving you full access to the system. So, why would you want to use an RDP server? Unlike a regular personal computer, an RDP server is a powerful remote Windows-based machine that you can access from anywhere using Remote Desktop Protocol. These servers are hosted in data centers and designed to handle heavy workloads, operate 24/7, and provide a seamless remote experience. Now, you might be wondering why you would want to use an RDP server in the first place. One of the main reasons people use RDP servers is for remote work. Instead of being tied to one physical device, you can store all your work files and applications on the RDP server. This means you can log in from any device, whether it's your home computer, a laptop, or even a tablet, and continue working without any interruptions. No matter where you are, as long as you have an internet connection and compatible software, your work is always accessible. Another great reason to use an RDP server is for running applications 24/7. If you have programs that need to stay active around the clock, like trading software, automation tools, or game servers, you don't have to keep your personal computer turned on all day and night. Running these applications on an RDP server helps you save electricity, reduces wear and tear on your personal computer, and ensures better performance with a high-speed network connection. Privacy is another key benefit. If you handle sensitive or confidential data, an RDP server can help you maintain anonymity while working online. Instead of exposing your real IP address and location, all your internet activities happen through the RDP server. This makes it much harder for websites or third parties to track your online behavior. However, it's important to note that while RDP servers provide privacy, they are not meant for any illegal activities. If a provider detects misuse, your access will likely be revoked. Now let's go over how you can connect to an RDP server from your Windows computer. The process is simple, and you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. The first thing you need is your login credentials. If you purchased an RDP server online, you should receive an email with all the necessary login details. Here is an example of the welcome email that we send to our customers. As you can see, it includes the IP address, username, and password. Once you have the login information, search for Remote Desktop in the Windows search bar and click on the Remote Desktop Connection app to open it. In the Remote Desktop Connection app, enter the IP address of the RDP server in the computer field and click on Connect. Next, you'll be asked for a username and password. Use the credentials from the email and click OK. At this point, you might see a pop-up saying the identity of the remote computer cannot be verified. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Since you already know the server you're connecting to, simply click Yes to proceed. And that's it. You are now successfully connected to your RDP server. The RDP server looks and functions just like a regular Windows desktop. You can open applications, transfer files, browse the internet, and work on projects just like you would on your own computer. To end your session, simply close the remote desktop window or log out from the RDP server. Your data and programs will remain exactly as you left them, ready for the next time you log in. Keep in mind that the responsiveness of your RDP server depends on two key factors: your internet connection speed and the physical distance between you and the server. So if your internet speed is slow or your server is located far away, the remote desktop experience will feel sluggish no matter what. And that's everything you need to know about RDP servers. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.